appreciate DestinAsian for recognizing industry leaders and also inspiring innovation for global tourism. Congratulations for all the winners and thank you for choosing Indonesia or Bali as the best island.
DestinAsian, thank you very much for this. All the readers who voted for one of the Bonvoy hotels, thank you very much.
And I do hope that the magazine will continue to thrive and give opportunities to so many hotels partners in the industry. Thank you very much.